How to delete blank pages in PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Adobe Acrobat application, open your file and from right hand side menu, simply click on Organize Pages. Once you do, you will see your pages aligned in shape. You simply need to click on any one of it, right click on it, click on delete and in this prompt click on OK. Now the second method, if you want to delete the blank pages aligned together, right click on your left hand side menu of pages. In this prompt enter the page number and then click on OK. After this multiple blank pages will be deleted. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.